is Yaxen Senso from B.Ed Section 4. So let's talk about Sigmund Freud and Jean Piaget. So let's start first, Sigmund Freud. Who is Sigmund Freud? Sigmund Freud was an Australian neurologist and the founder of psychoanalysis. What is psychoanalysis? Psychoanalysis can help people understand their deep hidden feelings like fears or desire that may affect the way they think, act, and feel. So, Freud said that things that can happen in childhood can shape a person's behavior later in life. So, Freud talked about the three parts of the mind, which is the id, the ego, and the superego. The id is, I want it now. So, if I am a child and ganahan ko og butang, balag dili pwede o pwede na, kuhaon ko na para ma-feels good ko, para ma-feel na ko I'm okay. So, the second is the ego, which is, let's think about this. So the ego helps to understand our decision based on reality, which is the ego can try to find a balance between the id and the superego. So the third one is the superego, which is the superego's. It knows what's right and wrong based on your values, culture, and upbringing. And superegos wants you to be a good person, even if it sacrifice your pleasure or fun. So there are three parts of the mind, which is the id, the ego, and the superego. So let's proceed in Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget was a man from Switzerland who studies how children think and learn. So Jean Piaget observed and watched how the kids grow and learn. So Jean Piaget's work can help the teachers and the parents. So how kids learn step by step, and his ideas are still used in our school today. So, ang work ni Piaget kay maka-help siya sa teachers and parents. So, iyang work or iyang study kay nagamit gihapon nato hangtod karon sa atong eskwelahan. So, si Piaget na siya giingon nga different stages of thinking as they grow. So, are you asking, what are those stages? So, we have four main stages. We have sensory motor stage, which is the first stage, which is birth to 2 years. Sensory motor stage, which is the babies learn through touching, looking, and moving. So, ang mga bata or ang mga kids nga nag-edad nga bata hangtod 2 years old kay makat-on sila sa the way nga mag-touch of things, mag-look around o mag-move kay makakita man sila sa things, maka-figure out sila sa butang. Pero, dili sila maka-learn if dili sila makita sa butang, if makabaw sila nga wala na nag-exist. For example, oh, that's a bag. I have a bag. I have a jacket. So, maka-learn ang mga bata. Makakita sila, ay, nag-jacket day ka, teacher. So, maka-figure out sila nga, aga, jacket ka. So, muna ang sensory motor stage. So, the second stage is pre-operational stage, which starts to 2 years old to 7 years old, where children starts to use words and pictures to think and talk. So, maka-learn ang mga bata sa words and pictures. If makakita sila o banana sa board nga, picture sa banana, maka-figure it out sila nga, banana di ay na tungod sa picture. makatalk sila og banana kay kita man sila nga banana na maka-think sila nga banana day nang naa sa board. So next is number 3, the third stage, which is concrete operational stage, which starts to 7 to 11 years old. So the children begin to think more logically, or should I say they understand ideas like numbers, size, and volume. So kani nga stage, diri na sila makakaton og simple math problem. For example, I have a ball pen and a pencil pen. So let's add it. So maka-add sila if makakita sila og object like pen and a pencil pen nga i-add nimo. So 1 pen and 1 pencil pen added, so I have 2 pens. So maka-add sila og simple nga math problem if makakita sila og object. So the fourth stage is formal operational stage, starts to 12 years old and above. So teenagers can think about abstract ideas like fairness or love. So ari nga stage kay diri sila mag-crush, diri nga stage nga ma-attract sila og tao. So they can plan, imagine the future, and solves problem in their head. They can also think about what might happen, not just what is happening now. So diri nga stage kay maka-solve sila og problem sa ilang head, kay kanang more naman sila og crush na sila, kanang maka-plan na sila. They can manage by their own, but kanang need og guide sa parents. So I'm just gonna give a short recap of Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud has 3 parts of the mind, which is the id, the ego, and the superego. And Freud was the founder of the psychoanalysis. So I'm gonna give a short recap about Jean Piaget also. So Jean Piaget has 4 main stages, which is sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage. That's all. Thank you.